Trading just got a serious upgrade. TradingView just launched an AI Copilot that can analyze charts, explain indicators, and even help you spot some setups. But is it actually useful or just hype? Let's find out in this video. Hi everyone, this is QuanTribe. Welcome back to my channel. So let's look at what exactly is AI Copilot. So here's official announcement from TradingView. They just released it a couple of days ago and I already played a bit with it, and in this video will show you what it can and cannot do. So first of all, what is it? So actually it's a Chrome extension that you can install on top of your browser, and then it will kind of have control over your TradingView and can help you just configure TradingView itself, plot some things for you. It can add some indicators on top of your chart, analyze your chart. So it's relatively powerful already. So let's see a couple kind of use cases of how you can do this kind of in real setup on top of TradingView. So first of all, you need to install this as a Chrome plugin to your browser. And here I have it installed already. So when you click it, you'll see kind of a sidebar open, and here you'll get access to the chart from TradingView. And here already it suggests what it can do for you. So you can click one of these kind of buttons and get your kind of some ideas from it. But also what you can do is you can click this button on the top and you'll see some prompt templates. So this will be pretty kind of advanced template with a lot of details that it kind of works well for. So first, let's start on clicking a few kind of standard things. So first of all, I will just rate my current setup. So here I have Brent open, and of course it went absolutely crazy for the last couple of weeks. And I have a couple of simple movement indicators added on my chart. So it will look at what I have on my chart and will just suggest what other indicators I should look at. And I think this can be quite useful for some people, just for them to understand if they're missing something in terms of kind of analysis for a particular, like instrument and time frame. Let's see what he will end up with. So it seems to be done. It took about a minute for him to understand what's going on here on my chart. And as you can see here, it looks at my symbol selection, time frame, chart type, indicators. Of course, having only 3 moving average is not really kind of very good. So it actually just write me that. Also, yeah, I'm pretty bad at risk management, so no visible support resistant levels, and so on. And also overall, it's just 3 or 5 stars. And it will show you, it will tell you kind of a bit of analytics on top of your charts. It will also add some recommendations, okay, let's add momentum confirmation, mark your key levels. And what you can do as well, for example, it suggests me to add RSI and MACD. I can just ask it to add RSI to my chart. Right, it will analyze it and will add a RSI in the moment. So I don't need to go to indicators, search for it. Now what I can do is just type it to it and it will understand what I want to do and will add RSI in the moment. So as you can see, it added standard RSI to my chart, so it seems to work quite nicely. Also here it suggested that I need to mark your kind of key levels. What I also can do is that let me stop it here and I will analyze my chart and highlight main levels. So also this should work quite fine. It will go and look at my current chart, so daily chart of Brent. It will see what kind of are the most important levels right now, and it should just basically plot it on my chart. So it took him about a minute, and now you can see here we have a couple of kind of levels that it created. So here I have resistance levels, here I have support level, current one. Also we have SMA kind of cluster level, we have major support level, and so on. So as you can see, I just added him just an instruction to do that, and he did it all his own. He added some text, some labels on top of every line. So it actually looks quite good. If you want to automate some repetitive tasks for you to add support and resistance levels, you actually can ask him to do this for you, and it will be quite efficient in doing that. Also, you can ask it to explain you maybe some news or something like that. So what I can do is that I can just write here why Brent is so high. And ideally, should you go and understand, like news articles that also he has access to, and just will get you kind of some updates on why he thinks this actually happened. And let's see how good he is. So here it put us a bit of a kind of summary of what's going on. So there is a like parameter driver, and also we have some catalysts, some news, explain the impact, and also some math and so on. So he actually do a pretty good job of kind of understanding what's going on. It summarizes, price action context. It also explain us what other risk it could be, how much higher it can go, and so on. So as you can see, it works quite well. Just with one request, you can do that. Also, you can ask it as well to kind of manipulate your alerts. And I think this is quite useful because people spend quite a lot of time on these alerts. So what I can do is that I can say, okay, create me alerts for every level you found on the chart. And what it needs to do is that it needs to go back to our chart, find all the levels he plotted himself, and should just create an alert when price cross over this level, and new alert should appear. So he said that it's done. So let's open our alerts, and it doesn't seem that it works. You see, it's still not yet. Let's try again. As you can see, it's still in beta, it's still a bit limited, so it's not always working like we suppose you to, but so now it's actually trying to check it out. And let's see real time if he will create it. It's quite an interesting feature, but as you can see, it's not fully working. So we can analyze it. Okay, now it seems to work. Now we have 4 kind of alerts created. It understood that some of them needs to be crossover, some of them needs to be cross under. So as you can see, it's kind of relatively okay. Maybe it won't work from your first try, but still, I think it's a good start. So as you can see, this kind of AI Copilot seems to work relatively well. It's still a bit limited. First of all, you don't have many queries. You have only 15 for free. I think this will be added as a kind of pro feature, and maybe you'll pay for it because, of course, it uses quite a lot of tokens. But I think it will be pretty good for some people, to automate some of the tasks, because the traders have quite a lot of repetitive tasks, and with that, it will be nice to just replace some of them with a very quick query to this AI tool. And I think it will be working much better than other AI tools on top of TradingView, and also expect it to get better with time. So I'm excited to see that. I will use it a bit in my kind of day-to-day work, but let's see where it goes. Let me know what do you think about this, and do you use any other AI kind of copilots on top of TradingView? It's interesting for me to know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.